Now, for Kevin Ouma and Terry Kimani, a venture into pig farming is all they needed to grow a business. Faced with the high cost of animal feed, the couple staying in Kiambu County decided to make their own feed, a venture that is now a fully fledged animal feeds manufacturing. Edward Chua has their story.
Animal farming is the latest sport for a number of Kenyans seeking to make an extra coin to meet the ever-skyrocketing cost of living. This is attested by Kevin Ouma and Terry Kimani, a young couple in Kiambu's Mushadha area who have embraced pig farming and are making a killing out of it. It is this couple's passion for animal farming that led to the establishment of Ngao Feeds, a production that specializes in making animal feeds.
Ngao Feed was started back in 2019. The genesis, we had a farm which is still running for pigs. We're purchasing animal feeds from outside. And we realized after some time the quality and the prices were going up. So with the help the experts from outside, we went and get the right formulas for our pigs, and we saw a big change.
First I was doing it by myself, then again my husband resigned from work and he had to come and join me later. I did environmental science. I didn't want to go into the white-collar jobs. I wanted to do something extraordinary. And I have friends who have ventured into this before me, but mostly they are not into production. They are suppliers of animal feeds, so they are still the people that are used to supply us with the raw materials for animal feeds.
Ngao produces feeds for pigs, cows, rabbits and chicken. To make the production cheaper and reliable, the couple has farms in Narok where they grow some of the raw materials such as maize and wheat.
There's a key component in making animal feeds. So it was easy for us and also to cut the cost while making our own feeds, because maize we are getting from the farm and a few things from outside. We started with a small mixer, that 1.5 ton. We bought it at Muarat at around 250,000. And then we had raw materials for around 500,000. Another key factor is the right formula that you need to formulate for each animal. From there, we have the supplements and additives. You need to mix the feeds. We have 5 employees on permanent basis, 2 salespersons, and then 3 guys on which works on the machine. So the 3 guys, we have trained them.
So as a local manufacturer, how do you make sure that Ngao Feeds stands out from the rest of the products out there in the market?
So before we take them to another farm, we always test them. So we always check them first before we use them.
My vision is for Ngao Feeds in the next 5 years or maybe 3 years is to move from using manual equipment or manual machine to more industrialized or more developed machines.
Mostly we sell directly to farmers and a few stockists.
Terry says from the beginning there have been challenges, but with each passing day, they have learned to overcome them one after another, even as fresh ones pop up.
Our machines are very big. First, you have to look for a shop with a big space, which is a problem. We are at the interior part of Kiambu, so yet still we don't have three power phase, and our machines use that, so we had to transform our machines from 3-phase to single phase, which was expensive, but we managed.
So what would you advise women who want to venture into local manufacturing and especially in farming?
It's doable. Yes, you have to try out extraordinary things. Yes, especially being in this industry, it's quite challenging because most of the work is manual. You have to work hard, but it's doable.
When the coronavirus pandemic set in, many Kenyans turned into farming as an alternative. Now, this is an opportunity that this couple here in Kiambu took advantage of to expand their company, Ngao Feeds, to meet the ever-growing demand among local farmers. Edward Chua, Business Now, Citizen TV.